How to copy and paste on hidden column. If you copy and paste directly on hidden columns, it's paste like this. Here we have some fruit and vegetable names. In this row, there are 3 vegetables and rest are fruits. Now we want to replace vegetables with fruits. In second workbook, we have 3 fruits name. Go to first workbook, and select all columns you want to hide, then right-click and hide them. All 3 vegetables column are now left. Go to second workbook, and copy 3 fruits name you have. Go to first workbook, and click on first cell then paste. Copied cells are always paste in series, that's why data paste on serial number 1, 2, and 3, instead of 1, 5, and 6. So how should we do this? Here we have 2 solutions for doing the same, and first one is, visible cell only. This type of problems can be resolved by option visible cells only. Visible cells only option works on hidden rows and columns, but not on filtered cells. First go to second workbook, and copy 3 fruits name you have. Select only one cell, then press F5, and click on Special button. Select Visible Cells Only, and click on OK button. Now select all cells where you want to paste, then paste. Your copied data paste only on visible cells. Now select all, and unhide all columns. Here all vegetables are replaced by fruits. And second one is, to cut columns and paste as same arrangement, as you have in second sheet. Second trick is good, when you have limited columns, but if you have too much columns, must follow first one. Must like and share, also don't forget to subscribe.